Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Another episode, another new recipe. It's summer's time and summer is here. We are all looking for something refreshing to drink. So today I'm going to share with you a perfect refreshing drink recipe, that is sweet lemon punch or Mousambi punch, which is not only refreshing but also very rich in vitamin C and a perfect immunity booster, especially for this current situation of the pandemic. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's jump into the recipe and make Mousambi punch or sweet lemon punch. For that, obviously we are going to need 3 sweet lemons or Mousambi. I'm going to cut them into halves like this from the middle and set them aside. Then I'm going to squeeze out the juice from it. I'm using this manual juicer because I don't have any electric juicer, but if you have electric one, use that to squeeze out the juice, but I'm using this manual one. So I have squeezed out all the juices from the Mousambi. I'm going to transfer the juice into another bowl. Then I'm going to squeeze out the juices from rest of the Moussambis. So I have squeezed out all the juices from all 3 sweet lemons. Now I'm going to add some ginger to give it a nice add a nice zink into it. So I'm using 1-inch ginger and grating it and add it for extra punch. Next goes some mint leaf for extra freshness. 1 tablespoon of chopped mint leaves. Mix them. Then freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Then goes 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix them all and I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes before serving so that all the flavors are absorbed into the juice. Next I'm going to strain it because I'm going to serve it to my guests, so I'm going to strain it, but it's optional. If you are having it by your own, you don't need to strain it, but if you want to strain it for your guest, you can do that. It's optional, it's up to you. So it's done. I have added some more chopped mint leaves into it. Next I'm going to garnish it with some sweet lemon slice and some greens, and enjoy your sweet lemon punch or Mousambi punch to beat the heat. You can use ice cubes for making it extra refreshing, but I have skipped the ice. I like it this way. Fresh juice, no ice, nothing. You can chill it inside your freezer for 15 minutes if you want to. Now enjoy your sweet lime punch and make it for your guests and friends and family as well. Don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.